Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to make Facebook photos private. So to do that, first thing is you need to open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account of yours in Facebook, you need to go to the profile page of yours. Tap on profile page on top left. Here you scroll down. In the profile, you need to scroll down to the post that you have posted. You open the post that you want to make the photo private to. Once you open the photo, you need to tap on that dotted line just above that. Tap on that. And there you need to tap on the option Edit Privacy. Tap on it. Once you tap on Edit Privacy, you will be able to change the people that can watch your Facebook post or photos in Facebook. Currently, the setting is saved to public. That is, everyone on Facebook will be able to see this photo of yours that you have posted. So if you want it to make it private, all you have to do is tap on the option Only Me and go back. Just after that, you will see the lock icon on your photo, which means only you can view this photo on your Facebook, and this will be private just for you. This is a way how you can edit your privacy, making it private to other people on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.